Hey guys, how you doing? So the reason why I'm playing this record, I'm jamming to this record is samples. All right. So for example, if you hear the new Kanye West just put an album out, and we all know Kanye West is a sample dude, right? Everything he does is sample. So the samples make his recording is surrounded around samples. So the base of his music is samples. Then you got melodies too. So I love the new album. I like it. It's very, very different. It's sample driven. It is just like you said. It's something happening now. So a lot of people wanna judge your album based on what you did back in the day. No, you gotta focus on what's happening now. Taste the music, the sounds different, the lyrics should be different, events should be different, and things like that, right? So that's why I'm playing this. I'm a sample guy too. I've sampled some songs, but I don't. If I'm trying to release an album commercially, like you all know, you can't unless you can clear your samples. You have the money and all that bureaucracy. You can't do it. It's gonna be hard for you. So I stay away from doing sampling, but I do love to sample. But I'm gonna go deeper more into my sampling stuff just for free. I'm not gonna sell anything, just for the artistic nature of it, and just because I love to do it. All right. Hopefully, if you can sell it, someone wants to buy it. If they can clear the sample, then it's good for you. So my whole take on samples is, if you're a beginner, stay away from it. Stay away from it. That way you build your sound. You gotta be able to build your sound, okay? And if you're starting being a producer, you don't go into samples, because samples, the reality of samples is that the samples already has the energy of the music. So if you really come down to it, if you pick another person's song and sample it, the energy is already there. You're building around that energy. But if you're a producer from scratch, you're creating your own energy. Hopefully someone down the line will sample it. So if you're a starting producer, go ahead and start with your original sounds, all right? Like this. Alright, if you're a new producer, go ahead and start with your original sounds. Stay away from the samples. When you get comfortable with your sounds, you know your sound. If you want to sample, boom, go ahead and sample for fun of it. Because at the end of the day, if you sample anywhere on the internet right now, you're not going to get paid for it. Somebody's going to take the money for it. It's almost like you're working for free. Alright? You're working for someone else. Alright? So go ahead and do that and stay with the originals. If you have Maschine, there's a lot of loops and a lot of samples that come with Maschine that's free. It's free. Once you buy the expansion, it's free. You buy it, you can use it. It sounds like what you're hearing, no vocals. There are vocal samples too that's free. So go ahead and do that and stay with it. And then starting producers, start with your original beats and go from there. But I'm going to play this sample, and I'm probably going to sample something from this sample. You know what I mean? I'm going to do it because I've made thousands of beats. So I'm going to do this one. All right? If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Those that subscribe, I appreciate you. I'm going to make a beat with something tonight. Something's going to happen tonight. I'm listening to a lot of music. I'm going to make a beat tonight, and I'll show you what I did, all right? Peace and God bless.